Here you are. Pour it in me slipper, Joey.
Boy, I can't get over the way we rolled them in the aisles.
Just wait till we hit the big time.
This gives me an idea. Let's raise the platform the elephant jumps off of.
Yeah, if they laugh when he jumps 20 feet, they'll laugh twice as hard if he jumps 40 feet.
Yeah,
That's right. Simple mathematics.
Let's make it 80 feet.
Don't be a piker. 180.
Make it 300.
1,000.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, why not?
Hey,
Sure.
be careful. You'll hurt the little guy.
Oh, go on. Elephants ain't got no feelings.
No, they're made of rubber.
This idea is sensational. Let's go tell the boss.
Yeah.
Hey, let's hit him for a raise.
Yeah, sure. This is white real dough.
Oh, we're gonna hit the big boss for a raise.
Yes, we're going to hit the big boss for a raise.
Oh, we're gonna get more money.
Cause we know that we're funny. We're gonna hit the big boss for a raise.
I know how you feel, Dumbo. But you gotta pull yourself together. What would your mother think of you if she saw you crying like this? Remember, you come of a proud race. Why, you're a pachyderm, and pachyderms don't cry. What's crying get you anyhow? Nothing but the hiccups. There, you see? Well, ain't nothing little water won't cure. Oops-a-daisy. We'll have it fixed up in a jiffy. Come on. Here, take a trunk full. Listen, little fella. We may have had a lot of hard luck up till now, but you and me is gonna do big things together. Hold your breath. Why, your mother's gonna be so proud of you. I'm gonna be proud of you, too. The whole circus is gonna be proud of you. Now, what do you think of that? Swallow it. Oh, they can't keep us down. Oh, I guess you had one little one left over. Dumbo, we'll bounce back so hard. Hey, what's the matter with you? What kind of water is this, anyhow?